What does USGS stand for?
Unique science geniuses stand together.
What does geological mean?
Unusual.
What is climate change?
Is it where the moon moves?
What is an oceanographer?
They study the ocean. They go out on boats and stuff.
What does your mom do for work?
She tells how high the tide is when storms come.
I'm Ella Doran, and I'm a supervisory physical scientist at the U.S. Geological Survey, St. Petersburg Coastal and Marine Science Center, but I call myself an oceanographer. My focus of my research is coastal change hazards, and what that means is mostly I'm studying how the beaches change during storm events. So during storm events, we get large waves, we get storm surge. So we try to understand how the beach changes during storms, and then we also try to forecast or predict how the coast will change. Probably one of my favorite things about working for the USGS is that, you know, we are a science agency, but we work on science to help our nation be more resilient, to help our nation be more prepared for natural hazards. I love working for the USGS. The people I work with are so smart and creative and awesome. And I love that we do science and research that is used by not just decision makers, but just the general public. It is really cool to be able to be a woman in science and a mom, and to work alongside other moms with daughters and have our children see that they can really do anything they set their mind to.
Science is really fun. It's creative. It helps you grow in your mind, and sometimes it can help other people.